Hey guys, Jmart here, and I'm redoing a video that I did a few months back for that Perfect Storm 2.0. I apologize, that was one of my first videos that I did on YouTube, learning how to add video editing, music, and all that type of stuff, and it was poorly made. My bad. But let's go ahead and redo that video so that you guys can see what Perfect Storm 2.0 is all about and how I use it for my Halloween decorations. All right, so let's take a look at what we got here. We got a bunch of equipment on top of my little shack house here. So we've got the black box. This is the Perfect Storm 2.0. So this is what we're talking about. This is what gives us that special effect for lightning and thunder. I got a CD player here that I picked up from a local thrift store because I don't have a CD player anymore, and it comes with a CD to get that effect. There's some other ways that you could probably do it yourself, but I just wanted to go simple with this. So back to the Perfect Storm 2.0, we got the front interface with it. So we got an on-off switch here, and then we have the sensitivity knob, which controls how much thunder and lightning you want. So do you want a faint little storm, or do you want a more big thunderstorm? And then we got some inputs here. So we got an audio input and a mic input. So that's the mic in, and then the audio input. So how those two work is if you have a source coming from your CD player directly into the black box, which is nice because then it's dedicated sound to the black box. If you went with the mic, it would pick up ambiance noises and stuff like that, but that also works. So if you don't have it plugged in, it automatically defaults to the mic. All right, so that's that setup right there. This is what you do. So you got a light source, right? So you got this plug outlet on the very back, and you can run an extension cord to that, and then you plug lights into it. So that sends the signal to trigger the lightning effect. So that's how that works. So let's walk over here. I've got a couple strategically placed lights. So I got one up in the branch right up there. And then also I've got another one strategically placed right there at the base of the tree, and then over here in the archway. So I have 3 lights that are actually set up to go to that black box. It really is a cool effect because now we've got lighting there and above. So that works perfectly for that awesome experience. All right, now let's see this in action, guys. Let's just do a quick walkthrough. And you're going to just see our cool ambiance that we got for Halloween with our pallet house. We got our banjo guys. Love those guys. Got them from Costco. And then we got our magic potion, little fun hack, highlighters from Dollar Tree, and some water in some jars under a black light. I'll put in the description the Perfect Storm 2.0. They usually have them on Amazon, but closer you get to Halloween, I do notice that they sell out. But usually if you don't see it on there, you can see it on eBay. All right, if you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe. See you on the next one.